I don't know what's coming out on video, man, but this is the middle of the COVID-19 thing, and the birds are going ape shit. I mean, we've got the one in that tree over there, and there's another flock over in this tree on the side. And you go to the park, and it's just covered in fucking birds. People are publishing pictures in New York being covered in birds, and I guess they're taking over. I don't know. This is like every other tree is just loaded. I got one in here, but he's keeping quiet while I'm out here. Anyway, just kind of nuts, you know. Air cleans up a little bit, and this is what you get. Damn birds.